And just puke these things up. I've been puking up for days. There's a few pieces of apple in here, but there's sacks of larvae that are moving real slow. Like right there's one. The whole thing's a freaking sack of larvae. There's more sacks. It's full of worms. No wonder I have terrible heartburn. Puking nonstop. I'm dehydrated, something terrible, because I can't drink water without throwing up immediately, violently. The only thing I can keep down is baking soda by the handfuls and carbonated soda, which isn't good for me.